finally made it to the Ozo Hotel, and we are here in Kandy. Yes.
Where are we?
Of course we're in Kandy. This is the bathroom. It's so incredible. I like the blue. I like the blue color very well. So this is our room.
What do we have here?
This is
Oh my
our
gosh.
room.
It's just a bed.
Yeah.
What an art. Do you see that?
Yeah, this is elephant.
Elephant arts, and the bed looks again so comfortable. Thank you.
Also, we
Oh
wanna
my
thanks to
gosh,
also
what
hotel.
do we have here?
We have candies
Oh
because
my-
we're in Kandy.
Because we're in Kandy, yeah, it makes sense. What do
Here
we
is
have
monkeys
for the
not
view?
allowed. Monkeys are not allowed. in
Oh
this
my
hotel,
God.
So, just to let you know,
And what a balcony do we have here?
we see the lake.
Oh my god.
We see two lakes actually. I don't know, maybe this is one lake.
I think it's one lake, but it's very huge. Wow, look at that mind-blowing view though. And I think somewhere here it's the sacred temple of the sacred Buddha tooth. But I'm not sure where exactly it should be.
I don't know, we have map in the room so you can check the map.
Oh really?
Yes, you don't need to go anywhere. And you can catch a tuk-tuk from the hotel down.
Oh really?
And there's the map. There is the map, location map. Hop.
Wow, that's so clever.
Yes, and you are here. And this is all the
We
cool
are-
things that you can...
I think we're at the center exactly, so close to everything.
I like the TV because look, it's amazing. I mean, look at it.
Oh yeah.
TV is amazing.
While I'm working on my laptop, you're gonna hang out there, right? Oh
Yeah,
my
probably,
gosh. Good morning.
Good morning. We just
We just finished with our breakfast and it was very delicious. We're still at Ozo Kandy in Kandy, and now we are heading up to the Botanical Garden in Kandy. Thank you so much. Have a nice
Thank
day.
you.
Thank you. We're going to have a wonderful day. I'm very excited.
We had an amazing morning
Good morning.
at the hotel.
No,
No, thank you, thank you. We'll walk a little bit.
Have a nice day. Thank
Yeah,
you.
we wanna take a walk just for a while.
Everyone is so kind here, but everyone is offering taxis,
Taxi or tuk-tuk.
tuk-tuks.
And
But
we got...
just wanna walk, guys.
Yeah,
Good
you
to be in
have-
shape, yeah.
You have to walk after a good breakfast like this one. The Ozo Hotel is in very good location, I think. Everything is so close.
Yeah, it's everything. It's walking distance. The temple of the sacred tooth is like 1 kilometer, which you can take for 50 minutes walk. So let me show you how you can cross the street.
No, thank you. You remember
you can
him?
see how to... No, let's cross now. Again,
Yes, hello.
we just came back from the Buddha statue in Kandy, which is a huge statue of Buddha, and you can see it from almost every corner in Kandy. If you climb the stairs up there, you can see a very nice view to the whole city of Kandy, and it's really nice. We took the bus to the Royal Botanical Garden. It was very easy. So the local buses here are very regular and very comfortable. It's a little bit hot, of course, but if you are close to the window, it's nice to feel the wind while you're... Hi! This is happening all the time. Hello! You need a taxi? And we're like, thanks, we're fine, we want to walk, we love to walk. But and then they let you go. They're not bad people, they're very nice people, but they're used to get more of a tourist, I guess. Hey beautiful humans, we're just going out from our hotel. This is the lobby and we just had a few minutes here waiting for Zhivko to bring back the water because we always forget it. And now we will go to explore a little more from Kandy because this is our last day here, like day 3 I guess. Yeah.
Yes, day 3, and we're going to the Temple of the Tooth, I think.
Of the sacred tooth of Buddha. Yeah, there is a story that there is a sacred tooth of Buddha in that temple, and then we're going to the center of Kandy to show you more of the city. It's a lovely town. It's like the cultural capital of Sri Lanka, and it's really colorful and so much activity is happening there. So see you later. That we wanted to show you because it's in the heart of Kandy and it's a hidden gem, and the food is so delicious. It's so cheap, like you can eat for less than $2 per person, a huge portion. How cheap is it? Like 200 rupiah for one meal, which is like $1.50. I will show you the place. So here is Kandy at night. It's really crazy, and that's the place. Hi! Hi! Balaji Dosai. That's the place for eating in Kandy. It's really nice and really delicious. So this is the meal. It's huge, thank you. And now we are gonna split this. And we're gonna be full because we already had fried rice, but it's really that cheap. Tomorrow we are leaving Kandy and we're going to Sigiriya. It's gonna be kind of adventure because we have to catch 2 buses and we don't know when they're coming, but the local people say that they're coming like in 30 minutes or so, and we'll see how we are gonna do it. So stay tuned. See ya.